Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn how we can sell AI website to local businesses. It's a super easy and we are going to use multiple platform, how to scrap your data and how you can outreach them and how you can sell them on websites. I will guide you step by step. So let me dive in video without wasting time. I just simply go back on a Google and I just search here landscaper in USA, and here we have a lot of businesses that already providing services, and here you can see there is a Google My Business, like for example this one have website, then this one not have website. I just simply click on it and I just simply reach out them and send them detailed message where we can say I have designed this website for you, just you can have a look on it. And how to design website without technical knowledge, I will guide you in a next step. No worry about that. I just go back here and I'm using GoHighLevel for designing websites. It's a CRM, it's an amazing CRM in the world right now, and you can use it whatever you want to use. WordPress, you want to use Wix, for those you need technical knowledge, but for this you don't need any technical knowledge. Just simply go to the site section, and another thing is that you don't need to invest anything. GoHighLevel providing 30-day trial. Yes, link in description box below. Just simply go to link and you can just sign up with GoHighLevel and you will get 30-day free trial, and you can just make website, outreach client. If client like website, you can sell them, you can make money, then you can subscribe GoHighLevel. That's a procedure. I just go to the sites. Here I have pre-built websites as well. If you need any pre-built site for law firm, for AI, for solar, whatever you're looking for, just let me know. I can give you free of cost this template and you can outreach to client and you can sell it. But right now I'm going to create new websites, and here you can see we create blank site or we can create template. I just go to templates, and here you just search landscapers. So here we have a landscaper websites. I just simply click on it and I just go to here and just import the website, and I will guide you step by step how you can edit it and how you can make it more professional and more editable to sell your local businesses and make money with it. So right now we have pre-built website. We can just simply change few things here, and after that that's ready to go. So simply what we can do, we can just place their logo here. Their Google, you can take logo from their Google My Business. You can put your name and your content here according to their business, and you can change image as well, and you can take from their Google My Business, and after that you can customize it according to their business. And once it's ready, they simply go preview and share link with your customer, and you say that's your website is ready, please have a look on it. Once they have a look, then you can easily convert it into your paying customer, and you can sell it not one, you can sell thousands of websites just with the one tools. And later on you can upsell your voice agent, because GoHighLevel providing a voice agent and chatbot as well. You can sell chatbot services, voice agent services, and you can upsell a lot of things to your customer. So that's how you can make money with the GoHighLevel, and also you can sell these sites to local businesses. If you need any help related GoHighLevel, I have description box link below, and simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step how you can make money with GoHighLevel. Thank you so much for watching this video.